Well, here's what the hail is doing to the car. It's now golf ball size hail. Holy shnikes. Oh my God, it's getting bigger. No, I'm videoing it right now. I'm just waiting for it to bust the window. I think so. Oh, shut the door. I don't want to get inside. Holy crap. Do you hear how loud that is?
That is loud as shit.
You guys watching the hail just bounce all over the car? Whoa!
Getting bigger.
I wonder where all the birds go when this shit happens.
I would not want to be a bird.
Oh man, something's gonna break.
Baseball size hail, 16 mile an hour.
Baseball size hail, 6 mile an hour wind.
What, 4 bucks? Great.
You want to pull down into the garage a little bit?
You think I can?
Yeah.